Hi everyone! Today we're going to do work of heart with Teacher Reg. Nature is one of our favorite subjects or source of inspiration when doing art. That is why today I'm going to show you a simple landscape painting using watercolor. Other materials that we are going to use are paint brushes, cup of water, good quality paper. You can start off by looking at the internet of different pictures that will inspire you. Or you can simply look around you for the things that you could use as your model or subject, such as flowers and plants. Or here's another time lapse of painting of a simple leaf called monstera. Check out my other finished products. And afterwards, you can even put them in a frame. So that's it, kids. Remember to always put your heart in your art. Bye!